Value error when checking if variable is none or numpy.array. I'd like to check if variable is none or numpy.array. I've implemented check_a function to do this. But this code raises value error. What is the straightforward way?
Using not a to test whether a is none assumes that the other possible values of a have a truth value of true. However, most numpy arrays don't have a truth value at all, and not cannot be applied to them. If you want to test whether an object is none, the most general, reliable way is to literally use an is check against none. This doesn't depend on objects having a truth value, so it works with numpy arrays. Note that the test has to be is, not equals equals. Is an object identity test. Equals equals is whatever the arguments say it is, and numpy arrays say it's a broadcasted element-wise equality comparison, producing a Boolean array. On the other side of things, if you want to test whether an object is a numpy array, you can test its type. You can also use isInstance, which will also return true for subclasses of that type, if that is what you want. Considering how terrible and incompatible np.matrix is, you may not actually want this.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.